Hello all the warriors, this is Roy. Welcome to Arena. Before the video starts, I hope you guys can give me 1 minute. I want to say one more time about the reason why I'm making Arena Challenge. It's because I want to train myself for the analysis skill for the track. So the Arena Challenge that you see, we are not be able to practice the car before the race. And I also got the message from my friend. The audience is really disappointed about what I'm doing in the challenge, because people think my car is slow, other car is faster. But here I want to say, I'm showing you guys the real me in the video. I'm not only showing the good side to the people, also the bad side I'm not mind to showing the other people as well. Maybe I'm not doing good in the video, but I do learn things from this Arena Challenge. And the only thing I know is only when you keep practicing, then you will be able to level up yourself. At the same time, I also wanted using this chance to share the idea that I learned from the challenge to people, and that's my goal. And the other thing is, for this Arena Challenge, I want to let you guys know first, this Arena Challenge to me is the hardest track layout that I have ever met. So if for the previous video, if you think my car is already slow, the only thing I can say, this time will be much more slower. But I already speed up the video. But if you want to know why, let's keep watching it. Let's go. Before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, you can press here for subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell so every time when we have a new video, you will know it right away. Thank you. Hello guys, this is Roy. Welcome to Arena. And today we're gonna do the Arena Challenge, and this is my guest, DJ, and from Toronto. Okay, and now same rules. We're gonna choose whatever we have to put on the track. Okay, so now. So press the red one. Red? Red. So number 6 will be the ABAB. Okay? So you can choose either.
I can choose to keep it,
yeah,
move it, or remove it.
Or replace to somewhere else. Okay? So number 6. And now is my turn. Number 1, the rocking straight. Okay? Okay, so we're gonna put those two on the track, and let's do it now. Alright? Okay, so this is the track we have right now, and this is the start line. And we're gonna all the way here. And there is the one I choose, the the rocking straight. And then there's slope down and straight to whatever the DJ choose. A, B, and the curve. And then there's a slope up, lane change jump, way, slope down, and another AB, and the lane change, and back to the start line. Okay, so this is this time our Arena Challenge track right now. So we got 15 minutes, so let's start to modify our car and see how can we finish this track.
Round 1, fight! NANI?! KO! You win! Round 2, fight! KO! You win! Round 3, fight!
Got it. One.
KO! You win! Round 4, fight!
Come on, DJ. Come on. Come on, baby. Oh, good race. Good race. Oh, go, go. Oh. Oh, DJ. Yes. Oh, come on, baby. No. No. Let's go. Let's go. DJ. Come on, DJ. Come on. Come on, baby. Oh, good race. Good race. Oh, so close. Oh. Ah. Final lap. Oh, DJ. Yes. Oh, come on, baby. Yes.
KO! You win! Final round, fight!
Oh, Roy and Keith is heat. One. Oh, DJ. Oh, there. Damn it. You got it, DJ. Oh, Roy. Oh. Yes. Oh, come on. Okay, let's go. Roy and Keith is heat. One. Oh, DJ. Oh, there. Damn it. You got it, DJ. Roy, great seeing you in Toronto. Thanks for letting me participate in the Arena Challenge. But I did lose, so here's for me paying back to losing the challenge.
Mission complete!
Great seeing you. Hope we can race again soon. Take care.
Okay, so this is today's Arena Challenge. I know you guys look at the video, I would think it's very slow, but there's no way I can like do it faster, because if you can see the track layout clearly, and there is the after the AB jump, there is a curve right after the jump, so there's no way you can speed up at all. So that's the reason why like it's super slow. I'm not trying to looking for any excuse, but I'm just trying to tell the truth. There's no way you can like do fast on that kind of a jump and then the curve, okay? And then even though this car I already using the stock motor, and if you're in the video you can hear my car is making the those noise because I'm using the broken gear as well, because I try to slow my car as slow as possible to make myself to pass that jump, okay? And also on the other view you can see is like you can see the things in the other way is like, remember this car we made in the video we made before was the LG Arena style. This is the uncut version LG bumpers, so at the rear as well, so it's like you can do the backward, okay? So this is the LG systems, the Arena style, so you can also do the compare between this car and the other car our friend DJ his car, and during the rocking straight, and see the difference between if we have this kind of LG bumpers and he doesn't, and see the difference, okay? But this is today's video. Hopefully next video I can bring more speed for you guys, all right? So I know you guys like is a little bit disappointed, but you know, every time I was just gonna try my best, all right? So this is today's video, and I will see you next time. Bye.